Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Int'l. Welcome to English Phonetics and Phonology course part 1C. As a part of linguistics class, this video is on types, characteristics and nature of articulation of vowel phonemes in IPA. From this video, you will also learn what and why is IPA, what are Monophthongs, Dipthongs and Tripthongs, what are front, back, high, middle and low vowel sounds, what are wide and narrow vowels as well as rounded and unrounded vowel sounds. You will also learn what are tense and lax vowel sounds, how many short and long vowel sounds are there in English phonetics, where from and how each of the short and long vowels is produced in our mouth and so on. So this video is one of the most important videos in learning English phonetics. Learn English by English and keep watching my English medium videos. Let's go! What is and why is IPA? International Phonetic Alphabet (IPA) is an alphabet developed in the 19th century to accurately represent the pronunciation of languages. The purpose of IPA is to provide a standard set of symbols that are used to represent sounds so that the same symbols always represent the sounds even to people from different language backgrounds. Using the IPA, it is theoretically possible to represent every sound correctly in every language in the world. The IPA helps us with three important areas: place of articulation, manner of articulation, and voicing. The basics are, in order to make sounds, we need to manipulate our speech organs, the structure of mouth, lips, tongue, teeth, palate, glottis, and throat. What is vowel phoneme? A vowel phoneme is one in which the airflow is unobstructed when the sound is made. Though there are 5 vowels in English alphabet, we have 25 vowel phonemes in English phonetics. The vowel sounds are the music or movement of our language. When a vowel phoneme is pronounced, our mouth stays open and the airflow of our mouth remains completely unobstructed. All the sounds of vowel phonemes are produced without any blockage and obstacles of our speech organs. Major classification of vowel phonemes. 25 vowel phonemes are classified into the following 3 major categories according to the nature and formation of their pronunciation and accent. They are: number 1, Monophthong vowel phonemes consist of one or single symbol or character. Number 2, Diphthong vowel phonemes consist of 2 symbols or characters. Number 3, Tripthong vowel phonemes consist of 3 symbols or characters. Characteristics and nature of articulation of vowel phonemes. There are 3 parameters by which we describe a vowel sounds in English. First, the height of the tongue or openness of the mouth. This gives us the categories close, half open, open. An alternative set of categories is also sometimes used as high, mid-low and low. Secondly, the area of the mouth that has the highest part of the tongue or the general area of the mouth in which the vowel is made. This gives us the categories front, central, and back. A third set of categories involves the shape of the lips. The categories are unrounded and spread or rounded. Difference between tense vowels and lax vowels. Tense vowels are articulated with greater muscular effort, slightly higher tongue positions, and longer durations than lax vowels. Authorities use tense such as tense and lax to describe the degree of tension in the tongue muscles, particularly those muscles responsible for the bunching up of the tongue lengthways. Tense vowels are longer than lax vowels of the same height. Tense vowels usually occur at the end of one-syllable words. Lax vowels. Lax vowels are shorter than tense vowels of the same height. The muscles of the vocal apparatus are relatively loose when articulating a lax vowel. Lax vowels usually occur in one-syllable words that end in consonants. What is monophthong or pure vowel? A vowel phoneme that has a single perceived auditory quality is called monophthong, which are known as pure vowel sounds. A monophthong vowel is spoken with exactly one tone and one mouth position. They provide a single sound while pronouncing the words. They are unchanging or steady state vowels. For example, when you say teeth, then while you are creating the sound of the E, nothing changes in our mouth to create the sound. A pure vowel is a sound that is articulated at the beginning and end of the word. It is relatively fixed and will glide in the up and down direction. If you observe the position of the tongue, the mouth will remain the same when these words are pronounced. Major classification of monophthongs. There are 12 monophthong vowel sounds in IPA. They are classified into two major groups. Number 1, short vowel sounds. Number 2, long vowel sounds. There are 7 short vowel phonemes and 5 long vowel phonemes in IPA. Other classification of monophthongs. Monophthongs or pure vowels of English can be classified into other 3 groups according to the 3 general areas of the mouth in which they are made or produced. Number 1, front vowels. Number 2, central vowels. And number 3, back vowels. Front vowels. In the front area of the mouth or tongue, English has 4 vowels. These 4 front vowels are made with spread unrounded lips. 2 vowels are in the close area. The other is a more open and a more central closed front vowel, usually described as a lowered and centralized closed front spread vowel. Back vowels. In the back area of the mouth, we can recognize 5 vowels in English. 4 of them are made with rounded lips and 1 with spread lips. There are also 2 vowels in English that fall in the closed back area. The other is a major type that open and more central variety. It is usually described as a lowered and centralized closed back rounded vowel. Central vowels. We come now to the final group of pure vowels, those made in the central area of the mouth. There are 3 vowels produced in this area in English, all with split lips. In my next videos, step by step, I will discuss in details where from and how each of the IPA phonemes is produced in our mouth, their places of articulations, practical use of each phoneme in at least 10 to 20 words, real application of each phonemes in effective sentences with rhythms and puns, as well as the shortcut techniques and tricks of how you can memorize the IPA symbols and sounds. Stay connected. Thank you.